Guys, check muna natin tong switch kung gumagana siya ng maayos o nagma-malfunction. Ito yung sa may common nya, naputol na. Tapos ito yung 1, 2, 3. Hanapin natin yung 1 kung saan dito. Lagay natin sa continuity. Ayan guys, continuity. May ganitong tunog. Okay. And guys, naka 0 yan. Hanapin natin yung 1. Yung 1 natin guys, itong blue. Hanapin natin yung 2. Number 2. Ito guys, tingnan natin kung may grounded.